Okay, here I am stuck on the side of the road in a parking lot because I got a flat tire. I was trying to let the spare down, and I started to call my neighbor to bring me the actual laser cut key that goes in here. This is a 2015 Yukon. I don't have this, I just have an uncut blank, so I thought, well, that's unfortunate, but there's a way to get in here. Basically, that plastic tube that runs from where you insert the tool outside the car, it just runs through here. You can just pop that tube out of the way. See that? I just pulled it off of this reel, and then just take one section of your tool and put it on that spindle, and you can lower the tire. So I'll get this changed and off I go.